Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. There is a major update from India's banking sector. The Finance Ministry has asked all public sector banks to take concrete steps to tackle employee stress. Yes, the government itself has stepped in. So, what led to this move and what happens next? Let's break it down. For years, public sector bank employees have faced heavy workloads, tight business targets, long hours, and even extra non banking duties like election work. Add to that mounting pressure from cross selling insurance and meeting digital goals, and you have got rising stress level across branches. Recognizing this growing issue, the Finance Ministry has now directed banks to identify stress points and prepare action plans to fix them. This isn't advisory, it's an official instruction. This initiative will be a part of EASE 8.0. That's the government's ongoing reform program for PSBs, short for Enhanced Access and Service Excellence. Under this, every bank board will have to look into staff well-being, diversity, leadership development, and workplace culture. Some banks have already started quarterly employee health index surveys, tracking morale, workload, and satisfaction. In fact, three banks have begun sharing these survey results directly with their boards to take quick corrective action. This push for employee well-being comes at a time when PSPs are performing better financially than ever. Gross NPS have dropped from over 9% in 2021 to just 2.6% now. Profits are up and dividend payouts are strong. The government now wants this success to reflect not just on the balance sheet but in the lives of the employees too. Because let's face it, no institution can thrive if the people behind it are burnt out. So, what can we expect next? Banks are likely to roll out wellness programs, counseling support, and better workload management. But the real test will be implementation. Will targets be rebalanced? Will long hours reduce? Meaningful action is what will determine whether this becomes lasting reform or just another circular. In short, India's public sector banks have fixed their finances. Now it's time to fix the human side. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on India's economy and banking sector. See you soon.